We want to start to form a desirable association with behaviors, a desirable mental association. Basically, what we want to do is we want to make exercise feel enjoyable and something we want to do and something that we get to do. But if you regularly practice moving and exercising until you're miserable because, you've been told to just go hard and, that's what exercise is and fitness is. Well, what happens is for a lot of us is we start to form a less than desirable association with a behavior. Meaning if we regularly exercise into the feeling of misery, then we're going to have a mental association with exercise, or rather we're going to feel like the exercise itself is miserable. And if we feel like the exercise and doing the exercise itself is miserable, then we're less likely to do it. And you can see how that creates its own cycle. And conversely, if we can turn it into something that we enjoy and we can stop doing the movement as soon as our brain says, I don't really feel like doing this anymore. And ideally, when we're still in the midst of an endorphin release, what happens is over time, first of all, what happens in that individual workout is if you end when you're feeling good, well, you're going to feel good. And if you do that repeatedly and regularly, over time, what happens is our brain starts to learn that this behavior, movement, exercise, whatever you want to call it, that is going to make our brains feel good. It's going to make our bodies feel good. So what we want to do is we want to stop the exercise as soon as we are kind of in that place and as soon as our brain says we want to be done, so that over time we can start to have a good feeling about exercise. And if we start to feel good about exercise and we want to do exercise, we're more likely to do it. If we're more likely to do it, we're more likely to get to a lot of the kind of conventional and typical things that people are looking for in terms of results in fitness and movement. But of course, here at Thoughtful Movement and Fitness, our goal is not aesthetic change or physique change. While we do that, and these tools will certainly help you to do that, our focus is really feeling good, creating that desirable association over time with the movement. And then as well, also over time, we start to tune it into exactly how these tools can work best for you to make your life better, to relieve from the day-to-day stuff. And that's especially true if you're somebody who is challenged by, depression, anxiety, any number of health conditions, both mental and physical. But especially those of us who are familiar with the depression, anxiety stuff, these tools can be really useful for relieving some of that symptomology. All right, well, I talked too much already, so we're just going to go into the video, and I'm going to try to not talk too much, but I'll pause and we'll talk about it whenever things seem appropriate to do so. Welcome to Thoughtful Movement and Fitness. I'm Clayton. We are practicing psychology, or rather we're bringing psychology into movement for health settings.